Despite centuries of scientific evidence, some people still believe the Earth is flat. But why? Flat Earth theories date back to ancient civilizations. Modern flat Earth beliefs are often fueled by misinformation and social media echo chamber. Social media platforms create a feedback loop where flat Earth content is repeatedly shared and reinforced. This can make the theory seem more credible to some. But the evidence for a spherical Earth is overwhelming. From the way ships disappear over the horizon to the round shadow Earth casts on the moon during a lunar eclipse. Astronauts have seen the curvature of the Earth from space, and satellite images clearly show our planet as a globe. Belief in a flat Earth often stems from a distrust in science and authorities. It's crucial to approach these conversations with empathy and facts. Remember, critical thinking and scientific evidence are our best tools against misinformation. Stay curious and keep questioning. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.